Okay, so we've drawn the head form and we've also drawn the eyes. The next thing we're going to do is work on the nose. The nose is actually quite simple. The first thing you have to understand is that the nose is a simple trapezoid. So consider a trapezoid as. Now, to make this more kind of defined, we want to narrow the upper part of the trapezoid and widen the lower part. Then we're going to create 3 circles. The first circle is on the kind of ball of the nose here. And then we're going to do 2 smaller circles on either side of it. And that gives us the kind of form and shape that we're looking for. So with that in mind, then you can simply kind of fill out nostrils like so. This is the curvature of the nose as it rounds out. And then the rest is not so much drawn, but more or less shaded. So if I have a direct light coming down like this, I would get a darker shade over here. So, and then this would be shaded here, and this would be shaded here. This would be shaded here. We're going to, of course, darken them. So you can see how you can quickly build up the base shape of the nose. If you want to add a little bit of variation to the nose, you can divide that trapezoid in half. And what that'll do is that'll give you kind of a flowing point. So let's do this from 3/4 view. 3/4 view, I'm going to draw the diagonal of the nose. So, and I'm going to draw the trapezoid, narrow this upper part here. Now, if I want to draw like a hooked nose or something like this, what I would do is I would cut that in half, and then let's bring that up a little bit and then down. That gives us kind of that angle that we're looking for. Again, draw 3 circles, 2 small on the side, and then from there we are basically drawing the outer side of the nose. It comes down, see a little bit of curvature and a very little bit of the nose on the side, and basically this comes down into the septum. Here's our curvature here, nostril, round like so. Basically we would shape the nose like so. So that's going to give us the rough idea of how it works. Now the underside of this, something like that, because we're connecting the 2 ears, and we can draw a shadow under that. Shadow, whatever way your lighting is. So you can actually create kind of a cool kind of effect with that. And it works for pretty much everything we do. If we're going to do a female nose, we can, instead of breaking it out like this, we can break it inward. So do the nose, something like this, and I'm going to just draw half of it first, then coming out, trapezoid, flatten that trapezoid a little bit more. So however long that trapezoid goes. That, again, big part, big circle, small circles, I can draw that in there. So that gives you the form that you're looking for more of a feminine nose. And if you want to break it into smaller parts, you can do that as well. There's, put a ridge up here and a ridge over here, and I've created a variation. That basically gives you a real simple concept of drawing a nose. So if you like that, subscribe. Let me know what you think.